The quorum bell is yet again on ring mode at the Senate as the Speaker, upon the commencement of business this afternoon, has directed the Sergeant-at-Arms to ring the quorum bell for 10 minutes, and this being a lunch hour session where the House is commencing at 2 p.m., contrary to the norm, where the House usually commences business at 2:30. A 10 minutes leeway has been allocated to senators this afternoon to make their way into the chamber this afternoon. Before I handed you over for the live broadcast, I was just mentioning that the Defense Council for Governor Mwangaza has already brought forward 2 witnesses, and for the remainder of their time, which is about 2 hours and 40 minutes, we'll be waiting to see whether more witnesses will be brought forward before the Senate this afternoon. But in a nutshell, is that Meru Governor Kawira Mwangaza has refuted all the charges against her by the Meru County Assembly, the charges being 3 mainly, and we will be awaiting to see whether these allegations will be substantiated. The senators will be voting on each of the charge by the end of this day, where they will be voting whether the charges on gross misconduct, the charge on abuse of office, and the other charge on gross violation of the Constitution and other laws of the land have been violated, have been substantiated, taking a vote on each and every charge. And our dear viewers, remember that according to the Constitution, on the grounds for the removal by impeachment of a governor or a state officer, in this case, the Constitution requires that in the event either of the 3 grounds that MCAs have brought before the Senate this afternoon, or during this 3rd impeachment by the Meru MCAs, in the event one of the charge has been substantiated, then automatically the governor for Meru County will cease to hold office. But yet again, the law provides that in the event that the Senate upholds the impeachment of the governor for Meru County that was done by the Assembly, then the governor also has the option of moving to court, to the High Court in this case, to try and fight her way through the courts in regards